Alright, let's get started. Take a cup of coffee, sit back, relax, and I will walk it all through. On the MTR for Windows, because I think there's a lot of things happened the last year, so this kit became more and more complete for those different rooms. And also we got some different accessoires available now for MTR on Windows. First, let me give you a quick overview of the different rooms that we have, and then I will dive a bit deeper into those different rooms. So the first kit we have is the Focus Room kit. That comes along with the P15, with the GC8 and the touch panel at the table. You decided with a Dell or the Lenovo, and you got your kit ready for your focus room. Now, a new kit on the block, which became available now, is the small room kit. This comes along with the R30, the brand new all-in-one bar. So camera, speaker and mic, everything is in there. Speaker track, group track, everything that you can imagine, which we had available also in the Studio USB, is also available in the R30. Now, what's the difference between the R30 and the P15? Is that the P15 has a 90-degree camera, so really for that focus room. And for your small room, you got like a little bit bigger lens. It's 120, so the table can even go closer to the screen. So this is a kit which became available also now in this package. Then we got Studio USB. This is still the king of the medium room with double speakers inside. You got an extension mic, so it's got a little bit extra powers looking at the audio into those rooms. Again, you choose here also your Dell or the Lenovo and makes that story complete. The last room is the large room kit. So the large room kit, I usually call it an integrator kit because here you're gonna decide any audio, mic or speaker conference which you're gonna add into those rooms. These are bigger rooms where you need a lot of flexibility and integration work. Now, to add to that, some new accessoires available now. So we got from the Poly side the BYOD kit. That is available now, and we got cut extension kit. And so think of those rooms where it's not easy to put those long USB cables across the floor, or put them into different cabling holes, etc. With the cut extension kit, you can now have that GC8, that touch panel, you can have that now connected to a cut cable. And you can put that through any cabling guide, etc. You put it to the table and you can make that available. Very, very easy. So I will go deeper into this later on, but I just wanted to give you a quick overview. Let's dive into those rooms. So what are the possibilities today? So looking at that focus room, like for 2 to 4 people, very easily. So you can put the P15 top of the screen or underneath the screen. You got the GC8 at the table. Now you choose your computer, so your Dell or your Lenovo. Now, what is new is now you can add your BYOD kit. So if needed, you got a lot of guests coming in which want to use their own video client. That's a possibility now. You just hook in the USB cable, you hook in the HDMI cable coming from the GC8, and you're ready to go very, very quickly. So I will show you a bit later how that solution exactly works and how it switches in the room and on the technical side. But let me first give you that overview what is available now for those different rooms. So that is the focus room where P15 should be sufficient. The next room, brand new, is the room with the R30 from 4 to 6 people. Really nice. This should be able to do the job. It's got a 120-degree lens, so again the table can be very close up to the screen and it's able to capture all the participants in the room. The R30 has a lot of possibilities looking at tracking. So similar as we have with Studio USB. Speaker track, group track, presenter track, all those tracking functions there are available also in that R30. So really nicely in that meeting room, you choose again your computer and the Lenovo or the Dell. Same thing here, you can add also now the BYOD kit or the GC8 extension kit. That means you easily can guide those cables if needed through some cable guides, etc., and bring them to the table using cut. And again, so the GC8 has that HDMI input there, so that is something which we will use throughout those rooms, also for the BYOD. And the next room, what you want to dive into, is the medium-sized room. This is a well-known room for 6 to 12 people. So you got a lot of participants in there. You can even add that extension mic, that wired extension mic to the studio USB if you need some coverage further into the room. But if the acoustics is okay, it should be fine. Here we can do the same thing. We can add the BYOD kit. Again, people walk in, want to use their own video client, just very easy. It can be some exotic client. You will just share camera, speaker and mic from the studio USB to the laptop, and you're able to use it very easily. Now the last room, these are always the rooms which I really like. So the integrator rooms from 12 to 18 people. You can really go big here. In those rooms, you can start with the E70, a really powerful camera, can be up to 8 to 9 meters to do the tracking, really powerful. And again, as you see here, you can even mount it upside down, nicely aligned with the screen. Again, you choose your PC, the Dell or the Lenovo computer, the Windows MTR. Now, as audio solutions, you got a lot of possibilities. So you can use TRIO daisy chained, TRIO with extension mics. You can use the sync. You can use the sync daisy chained if you want to. But usually you go really further with the audio, and then you require those DSPs from Biamp, Assure, QSC. They got a lot of live solutions, and it just makes sure that it's team certified, and that can all work together in combination with the E70. Remember that audio service file which I shared earlier, and I will show you the end of the video where you can find a lot of those programs. Also the camera control app, and there's a lot of things available now from the Polysport side. You can just install that on the MTR Windows, and you're able to use speaker tracking in combination with those third-party DSPs. And again, same thing. So you can add now the BYOD and the GC8 extension kit if needed. So walking into those rooms and reuse any camera, speaker and mic, which you usually use for your MTR Windows, reuse that with your laptop. All right, the free camera software. As I told you earlier, there is free camera control software available. I already did some videos on it. I will make sure that I put a link there so you're able to find it quickly. So we have software available free of charge where you can control the cameras. You can give it a name for the end user. You can create presets. You can change tracking. A lot of possibilities there. Here you can see, so you can find tracking options there. People framing available, that means capturing different participants in the room, or speaker tracking. You can change the movements of the camera. You can change the maximum zoom. So there's a lot of flexibility now. You can change camera options. But I would say if you want to dive deeper into that camera control, just go to my other video and I will talk that all through. What makes a story complete with the MTR for Windows kit? So first, we decide which camera kit. Now the camera kit comes along with the GC8 panel. So that is important. This is what you decide first. Camera in combination with the GC8. The next step is your compute. So you choose between the Dell and the Lenovo. So be aware the Lenovo comes with a sort of bracket. You can put it under the table, you can put it against the wall. With the Dell, it's a separate order. So it doesn't come along with a bracket. So that is just a good thing to know. Now we got a new SKU which you need to choose, and that is the BYOD kit, the GC8 extension. So let me show you that. The GC8 extension that has the icon arranger, as you see right here, and I will show you more details later on in this video. And with the BYOD kit, that also comes along with the extension kit, the cut extension kit, to put that USB cable on the table, and if needed. Sharing here also those SKUs. Again, I will put them also in the comments, so you're able to find these very quickly. We're mixing that all and get your service around it to make sure you're fully covered for all those computers, cameras, and those BYOD kits. So you got full support. That's what we call the Poly Plus service today from that side. So put that, wrap that around that, and you got a great solution there with fully supported. The wiring. So this is always where people appreciate my videos, to show you a little bit deeper of what's going on. And so I earlier showed you the acronym kit. So the acronym comes along with the BYOD kit, besides the cut extension. I already did an unboxing, and so you could look at those videos, and again I can put a link there so you're able to find it. So the unboxing of this acronym kit, and also did an how-to video earlier that showed you that. So just otherwise look back in some of my videos which I've done to show you the experience. But it's really simple. There's nothing you need to program on the acronym box. Out of the box, it's doing this switching very easily. So as you can see right here, by default, you hook it up to your Teams room with the up 1 very easily. And up 0 is the cable you put at the table available to the laptop. And again, nothing need to program. It's just power it up, hook it up to your Teams room system, the other side to your camera, speaker, mic, if you got your all-in-one. If you got different audio or video devices, you can also add them here. You got enough ports there. And so the MTR Windows supports multiple cameras, so you can just select that manually on those devices. So very easily you're able to connect that here. And then here you hook up your laptop. So as soon as you hook up the laptop, the camera will be taken by here by this line. As you can see right here, the up 0, that will be given. As soon as you release the laptop, it will automatically release the line and give it back to up 1, back to the Teams room. So it's a really easy and straightforward solution, fully supported by Poly. So that's, I think, very important. Solution is fully supported. And also if you buy it, you get it in a box from Poly. So this is what I showed you in my unboxing video. It all comes along in one box, and that comes from Poly. So fully supported. Okay, let's put this a little bit aside and show you now some of the wiring, because that's the USB part. And so you connect that to the laptop and you got that available. On the other end, you need the HDMI cable to share the screen from the laptop. So that is the one you put into the GC8. And so the GC8 is HDMI input. You just put it in there and you're able to share the screen. So I think a pretty easy, solid solution. Of course, if you have the GC8 and you want to extend that also over CAT, of course, you got a specific icon ranger kit and CAT extension kit also for that part. So that is important. You cannot transfer or reuse those CAT extension kits multiple times. So you need, for every CAT extension you want to create, you need to have a separate extender. So this is why we got a separate SKU for the GC8 and a separate SKU for the BYOD kit. The BYOD kit comes along with this icon ranger. All right, let's dive a little bit deeper in that icon ranger that we ship. Icon ranger 2311, it's a USB 2.0 extension, works perfectly. So you got a local extender, as they call it. It's a very small box. I showed you that also in my unboxing. Very small box. Put that local extender. We got the remote extender, also very small box. We have that CAT cable in between. It's direct cable. It cannot run via a switch or something, so you need to have a direct cable. but you can integrate that cable into the floor, wall, etc. Very easily. You can go up to 100 meters, so much more flexible than the USB cable. And the last piece is you need to have power. And that is something which you put in the local extender or the remote extender. And it will take care of that whole solution to power it up. Really nice and easy. And so you can use that from the Poly side, order that from the Poly side. And again, this is fully supported by Poly. So this is really something important to be sure that you are backed up. An alternative is the 3104 Pro. But as I understand, the 2311 should be sufficient to extend that overcut. The 3104, yeah, is a bit overkill in your environment, but it could be an alternative. So where can you find the different software packages? Just quickly, so you go to support.poly.com and you go to products, then you go to video conferencing, and then you go, if you're looking for the audio service file to make sure you want to use SpeakerTrack with the TRIO or with the Sync 60, or you got third-party DSP, then look under software releases and here you can find the audio service software for Teams Room. Very easily, so you can download here the latest release, install that on the Teams Room, and that makes sure your speaker tracking will be very optimal because it will guide through this audio service. It will guide the E70 camera to avoid like far end audio because you want to track only the speaker in the room. And as soon as you got like loudspeakers in there, or you got a trio on the table where also far end audio comes, it doesn't know which one is remote audio or local audio. So with this audio service file, if you're working with SpeakerTrack, then it makes to install it. If you don't use SpeakerTrack, just group track, of course, then you don't need the audio service file on your device. That's the first one. Now, the next one which I want to show you, which I think is also a very useful one, and then we go to the packages. So let's go here, for example, to the large room kit. If we click on that, I think very nicely. You also see some really nice videos here, video tutorials on the BYOD setup, etc. So always just take a look there. Guides and manuals. There's also a lot of things available here, accessoires, setup, etc. Now under software releases, here you go. You can find the Poly camera control app very easily. So you just download it and you install it on the MTR Windows. Give it a name like whiteboard camera or room camera, etc. Just something useful for the people who are using the room, and they can just select those options from this application. But as I said, just look at one of my previous video where I show you more details on how to install it. And that's it. Just a short update today on the MTR for Windows and the new accessoires, BYOD Kit, GC8 cut extension kit, and so hopefully you enjoyed it. If you like this type of video, I always recommend to subscribe to my channel and I always keep you updated on new videos. If you got any questions or comments, you're always welcome to leave them, and I will try to keep you updated as much as possible. Again, thank you for watching and looking forward to see you in the next video.